Welcome back, guys, to Christine's Jamaican Kitchen. So today we're doing vegetable stir fry. Before we get started, if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button, tap that notification bell to be notified as soon as there's more recipes available. Here is all my ingredients that I need for this dish. Black pepper, salt, oil, bok choy, broccoli, carrots, red onion, cabbage, spicy pepper, garlic, tomato, thyme, scallion. My vegetable is already clean, washed, and cut up and ready to go. Look at that. So you know you always wash your vegetable in salt water. Always, because you know you want to get those vegetables clean. So this is what it looks like. And also my red onion, my scallion, my pepper, my tomato, all washed and chopped up, ready to go. Just a reminder, guys, I will have the recipe in the description box below. Let's go cook! First, we're gonna saute our onions, scallion, tomato, thyme, garlic. Now I'm gonna start adding my vegetables. Salt, black pepper. So the whole idea of stir fry is not to overcook your vegetable. Look at this. It's coming to nicely. So you just keep doing the stirring motion. Notice there's no water in there. Okay. Okay, guys, dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Look at it. Isn't it lovely? What do you think, guys? Look. Oh my gosh, look at this. So I have my stir-fry vegetables and I did some shrimp to go with it. If you want to see how I did my shrimp, message me. So look at this pepper. This is freshly grown in my backyard. It is so spicy. So spicy. But let me dig in. Let me dig in. Perfect. My vegetable is not overcooked. Your vegetable is not supposed to be overcooked. It's supposed to be crunchy. Oh my gosh. Guys, it is delicious. Delicious. But bye for now. Bye. Thanks for watching. For more recipes, click the link over here.